In a groundbreaking partnership, Brekr, the innovative Dutch electric mobility company, joined forces with Outsiders Motorcycles, a renowned Dutch custom workshop, to elevate the Brekr Model B electric moped into a rugged and highly functional e-bike masterpiece. The collaboration resulted in a uniquely styled and impressively versatile two-wheeler that seamlessly blends urban commuting with off-road capabilities. Originally developed as an urban commuter e-bike, the Brekr Model B combines the simplicity of a bicycle with the power reminiscent of a 500cc four-stroke scooter. Powered by a robust 2,500 watts rear hub-mounted electric motor, the Model B features two in-frame battery packs, with a combined capacity of 2 kWh, providing a substantial range of 60 miles or 97 kilometers on a single charge. The collaboration between Brekr and Outsiders Motorcycles was a long-cherished dream that materialized 2 years ago, following Brekr's receipt of government subsidies for the production of the Model B. Outsiders Motorcycles selected the stylish Model B from Brekr's Doltechum facility to work their magic. Inspired by the rugged aesthetics of the Honda CT50 Motor, a Japanese domestic market minibike, Outsiders Motorcycles embarked on a transformative journey. The custom workshop introduced chunky tires, fat bars, and various rugged features, giving the Brekr Model B a distinctively impressive look and enhanced functionality. The Outsiders customized Model B took a step further by incorporating a sidecar, capable of carrying a pet, effectively transforming the e-bike into an e-trike. This modification extended the Model B's capabilities, allowing it to embark on camping expeditions and handle additional luggage. The e-trike, a symbol of innovation and versatility, made its mark across Croatia, even conquering the iconic Stelvio Pass. Taking the collaboration to the next level, Outsiders Motorcycles has officially become an authorized Brekr test and service center, solidifying their role in the ongoing evolution of electric mobility. This strategic partnership not only underscores the success of the Outsiders customized Brekr Model B, but also positions the custom shop as a key player in Brekr's commitment to providing top-notch service and innovation. As part of this collaboration, the eye-catching custom yellow Brekr Model B, a result of Outsiders Motorcycles' craftsmanship, is now prominently displayed at the Brekr headquarters. This serves as a living testament to the seamless integration of style and functionality achieved through their collaborative efforts. The remodeled Brekr Model B, a testament to the fusion of style and functionality, was showcased at the Brekr Rideout, underscoring the excitement and satisfaction Brekr derived from this transformative collaboration. The Outsiders modified Brekr Model B stands as a remarkable example of how collaboration between forward-thinking companies can push the boundaries of electric mobility, offering consumers a truly unique and versatile riding experience. I hope you liked this video. Also go to our channel. There are many other interesting videos. Have a nice day and good luck.